Rope flow is a gentle gateway into your movement mastery. Rope flow meets you where you're at, whether you're an experienced athlete or someone who hasn't exercised in years. It's gentle, light, and incredibly adaptable, making it perfect for all ages and fitness levels. From injury recovery to peak athleticism, the rope is for everyone. Repetition brings rapid learning. With rope, you get hundreds or even thousands of reps in a single session. Compare this to other movements like cleans or burpees. No doubt important movements too, but how many reps of those can we get until we run out of steam for that session? 30, 40, 50 reps is a lot there. For movements like these, it takes much longer to pay your dues and build up the thousands of reps required to truly own a skill and pick up on its nuances. Rope flow allows you to accumulate many reps in a single session, accelerating learning and integrating it into your body and mind. Rope flow taps into 3 learning systems at once. You can see the rope, you can hear the rope as it ticks the floor or rushes through the air around you, and you can, of course, feel the rope in your hands. This dual coding learning experience is something your brain thrives on. Your brain loves rope flow. Another reason is that when your hands cross the midline of your body, it activates your brain in unique ways, lighting it up like a Christmas tree. Occupational therapists know the magic of midline crossing for developing coordination, focus, and motor skills. Know that training your hands equals training your brain, and rope is a great way to do it. This is why you've probably heard doing activities with your non-dominant hand, like brushing your teeth or stirring a pot, benefits your brain. Rope takes this concept to the ultimate level. Every type of rope move utilizes both hands equally, leveraging this powerful brain training. Yes, you will suck at one side compared to the other, but over thousands of reps, which you will accumulate quickly, each side of your body communicates to the other, teaching your non-dominant hand to do dominant things, as well as teaching your dominant hand to play the supporting role of your less dominant hand. Take throwing, for example. We're usually good at throwing with our strong side and bad with our weaker side. Rope is an opportunity to get thousands of low-risk reps of practicing both sides. Building functional strength in every step. Rope flow improves locomotion, that is how you walk. It does this by patterning the underhand infinity sign into your spine, a pattern often lost in traditional training, because you can brace your core and you can coil your core from side to side, both important to be able to do. The truth is though, the majority of traditional training we're encouraged to do emphasizes a braced core. Squatting braced, deadlifting braced, pressing braced, rowing braced. The core gets very good at being super braced and loses its wiggle. This wiggle is vital and something that we want because the 33 vertebrae of the spine can move in 3 ways: flexion and extension, turning side to side, and tilting side to side. When you do rope flow, you get all these movements, every repetition, over and over, in a soothing, nourishing, movement as medicine kind of way. There's a popular yogi quote, "You are only as young as your spine is flexible." Well, the yogis will love rope flow. This locomotion training or walking training is a big piece of the stronger every step philosophy and one of my personal favorite unlocks from the movement practice with rope. The rope is your mirror. If the rope is true, so are you. Rope flow shows you where your body isn't moving optimally. For example, if you keep hitting your left side, it highlights a tightness, imbalance, or an area where you're not fully opening up. This is fantastic feedback to progress our learning. A rope session can feel like a movement meditation. It literally pulls us into a flow state because of its rhythmic, flowing, musical, and repetitious nature. Rope flow benefits. This is an empowering, joyful, and endlessly scalable practice. There's always more to learn. It develops coordination, balance, timing, and spatial awareness. It utilizes both sides of the body and trains it to move as a coherent unit. It can soothe away stiffness, improve posture, reduce stress, and is a perfect movement snack option. Whether it's a 5-minute morning flow or digestion flow, or lunch break flow, or warm up, cool down flow, or active recovery. It fits everywhere. You will want to take your rope on your next holiday or camping trip to the beach because it's easy to pack and light to carry. I remember dancing at a wedding after getting into flow and mentioning to my girlfriend how even dancing felt like this new, flowier, more playful event. Build consistency with your practice and the benefits you feel will be undeniable. Let's get this.
So yeah, rope flow is super awesome and you should give it a go.